What was so creepy about the house? Like it was like haunted or something?
I just think they're like creepy late at night, and there's, if you're in like a weird house and there's sort of strange sounds happening, and doors opening for no apparent reason, and it's creepy. But that doesn't mean you can't get creeped out late at night. But this house was like I said, and I had that house for many years.
I guess like what?
Yeah, for like weird paintings of furniture, and like there were these animal figurines, like cat.
Yeah, get those out of there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's creepy as hell. They just feel like they didn't come alive at night.
I'm a light guy, yeah. Bathroom lights.
It had this like narrow stairway down into the basement that was painted red. It just felt like place was a bit like The Shining. You know?
Yeah, it's a Shining vibe.
Yes.